Hello, and welcome to this tech tip. Today we wanted to show you how to replace missing values in IBM SPSS statistics. My name is Astrid Cook, and I'm an analyst here at version 1. So here's the challenge. If you look at my time series data here, you do see that there are data points that are missing. Now, missing data can interfere with time series analysis, so you can replace these values. And the Replace Missing Values feature will allow you to estimate and fill in gaps, creating a new time series variable in your data set. To get to Replace Missing Values, go to the Transform menu and select Replace Missing Values. The feature, again, allows you to estimate and fill in gaps. It will create a new variable in your data set. And you will see that the variable will have the original label, and then there will be a suffix added to the original name. You can see that here. You can also select the method. The methods for replacement are series mean, mean of nearby points, median of nearby points, linear interpolation, linear trend at point. When you're working in the dialog box, you can click on the Help button for an explanation of each of these methods. So let's see how this works in IBM SPSS statistics. So I'm in IBM SPSS statistics, and you can see I have a variable called housing starts. And you do see that I have some missing data points. So to fill this in, to replace missing values, what I will do is go to the Transform menu, come down to Replace Missing Values. I'll take the housing starts variable, bring it across. It's going to create a new variable called starts _ 1. And of course, we can select the method. And then I'll click OK. Now, it will give me information about the result variable. You can see the name here. There were 5 values replaced. And of course, you can see the total number of valid cases in the data set now. And now we can see we have our new housing starts variable here. And what I can do is go on the Analyze menu, come down to Forecasting, and we'll run a sequence chart on this. So we'll take this across and move it into the variables area. I'll move my date variable here on time axis labels, and I'll click OK. And now I can examine my time series. So that's everything we wanted to show you today. If you want more information, you can visit us at www.spssanalyticspartner.com. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.